Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna become superheroes.
Wow!
That's right, we're gonna make our very own superhero masks so we can go save the world.
Wow!
How cool is that? My favorite superhero is Wanda from WandaVision. What's your favorite superhero? Should we get into it?
Yes!
Yeah? You want to? Awesome! Let's do it! Let's look at all of our supplies. We have masks, of course, some string. We have felt stickers in black, pink, light blue, blue, gold, green, silver, and red. We also have felt sticker shapes. Look at all of them. Cool. And of course, sparkles.
Wow!
Let's look at our masks. We have red, green, blue, and gray. Which one should I do? Should I do the red one?
No.
No? How about the green?
Yes!
Yeah? Awesome! I think so too. I wonder what I should do to it first. First things first, I have to think of a superpower. I know! I could be Sky Girl because the moon is in the sky. Oh, and I could change the weather. Yeah, that's awesome. First, I want to add some sparkles around the eyes. Next, let's add some stars and some lightning bolts, since those are in the sky. Superpower, I would want to fly and change the weather. Get it? Because I'm Sky Girl. What would your superpower be? Thanks so much for getting creative with me today. I had so much fun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.